Hello guys, today we have this bar to perform upper limb exercises that normally we use it to do in the gym or exercise we do in the gym, but in this case we have this bar that is perfect size. It's not too big and not too small, and I think it's perfect and I like it a lot because we can do exercise in the house and it's really functional for different types of exercises we do. So the best part is that we can move it without being permanently attached to anything. So I'm going to call someone who can help me to do some movements and some exercises, and I will show you. Okay, I already have assembled this bar, but the only thing that I used it was the screws that already came with the package when you ordered it. They already came with that, and the other thing it was a screwdriver, but that's the only thing. So I really think it's perfect, and let's try exercises. Okay, I have here the person who's going to help me to do the exercise. Here's the bar. So it's going to do sit-ups, push-ups, and exercise for triceps. So let's start.